So now we're ready to do our assembly. So we've got all of our parts. We've got base plate, punch arm, our punch, our spring, our long grub screw, our short grub screw, and the set screw and nut that we used previously. So it's then just a matter of putting everything together. It's probably easiest to put the spring in first because it can be a little bit fiddly, and also this grub screw, which is the one that goes in there. With this, we want it so that the Allen key head is facing upwards, and so we can just start to screw that in there, and then if needs be, you can do it from the other side if you push all the way through, and then you can just bring that in.